How to clean and brush a Designafriend's hair. Has your Designafriend's hair become dry, messy, and matted? Is it sticky and hard to brush? If so, read on. This article is a handy step-by-step guide to change and restore fresh, sleek, and soft locks. Steps. 1. Consider what method you should use to detangle and/or clean the doll hair. As Designafriend, doll hair is made of synthetic nylon. Like many other dolls, it should not be washed with soap. Is the doll hair simply knotted? If so, brush your doll's hair. Is your doll's hair difficult to brush, matted, and greasy? Then it's time for a full hair wash and brush. Method 1. Washing the doll hair. 1. Carefully remove your Designafriend's clothing, including any accessories. 2. Fill a basin, sink, with warm or lukewarm water. 3. Wrap your doll in a clean, small hand towel. 4. Lean your doll over the sink, facing upwards. Tilt your doll so her hair is fully dipped into the water. 5. Place your doll on a flat surface near the sink. 6. Squirt a small amount of either into your hands. Baby shampoo, wig shampoo, mild shampoo. 7. Clasp your hands together. Then, begin to rub the shampoo into your doll's hair. 8. Next, dip your doll's hair into the water in the basin, finger combing the hair to ensure it's clean. 9. Place your doll again onto the same surface. 10. Take a very small amount of conditioner. Rub your hands together. 11. Start working the conditioner through your doll's hair. You may work the conditioner from mid-length of her hair or all the way downwards. 12. Dip your doll's hair into the basin once again, while finger combing her hair, ensuring your doll's hair is clean. 13. Wrap your doll's hair in another hand towel. 14. Take the plug out of the sink. 15. Let your doll's hair dry until it is fully dried or slightly damp. Method 2. Combing the doll hair. 1. Sit your doll between your legs. Cover her with a clean washcloth or hand towel before you start. 2. Dampen your doll's hair with a sponge or a misting bottle. If you have already washed your doll's hair and left it slightly damp, you do not need to mist your doll's hair. 3. Take a small hair grip and pin up the top layer of your doll's hair. 4. Brush your doll's hair. Start it at the top and brush down to the tips. Mist or dampen your doll's hair occasionally if needed to remove knots, for example.